Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Shazwani Zahira binti Zafri. My metric number is 277284. So today, I will present about assignment individual. So, for question 1, develop measurable organization value for the purpose project with the focus of two areas of impact, operational and financial. Show the development process. So for two areas of impact, first operational, we are reconstruct. Reconstruct requires starting from scratch with new design and technology for the entire system. In its 3 years of operational, MSCS has developed a way to construct new technology creation by 5%. Second, we upgrade the system. Upgrading requires the addition of new features while using the same tool and a modified design. MSCS made progress by incorporating additional semi-new design elements that allow it to grow building design by 5% in its 3 years of operation. Third, evaluate member skill. In addition, you need to evaluate members based on technical skill and personalities. Fourth, developed by clinic IT or outsourced staff. You should also look at whether the clinic IT staff can develop the project in-house or whether it needs to be outsourced. MSCS has inspected 5% of projects to ensure that they can be handled by clinic IT or outsourced within their first years of operational. Another operational is recruit the best team member. Find team members who have knowledge in system design, database or programming. In second years of operation, MSCS also want to recruit the best team members who are 10% committed in the form of system, database or programming. Another operational is process problem. In your opening statement, you mentioned a processing problem that is serious, causing the system to become unstable and eventually leading to data loss. MSCS also need to maintain the functionality of their system and make sure that their data processing is always 10% steady. Area of impact for financial have 4 processes. First, outsourcing is an action of hiring different company or developer to perform tasks related to the project. MSCS must review the financial viability of various company or developer of RM100,000 for 5% to undertake the project in the first years of operation. Second, the cost, time, and availability of IT staff with system development knowledge may all play a role in the choice to outsource the project. In order to purchase the external project, which will cost MSCS RM30,000 for 5% in the first years of operation, it must consider the cost element. Before selecting whether to upgrade or reconstruct the system, you need also identify and assess the clinic IT infrastructure. MSCS will need to identify and evaluate the clinic IT infrastructure to reconstruct the 5% system that will be reconstructed and will incur substantial costs in the first years of operational. As a result, the system architecture must be improved. To obtain the most recent technology system, MSCS must also upgrade their system design in a database that employ expenditure in the RM3000 for 5% area. For potential stakeholder, we create 3: doctor, pharmacists, clinic assistant. Name of stakeholder: first, Daniel Irfan. The role is register staff and department is registration. The contact information is daniel22@gmail.com. And second, name of stakeholder is Fatima Ibrahim. The role is doctor and department diagnose, and contact information is fatima35@gmail.com. Third, for name stakeholder is Firdaus Zafri, and the role is pharmacist, and department is medication. Contact information Firdaus Zafri gmail.com. And last, for name stakeholder, Shasha Zahira. The role is finance staff and department is financial, and the contact information is shashazahira@gmail.com. For the question 3, identify the total cost of ownership and total benefit of ownership for all alternatives. Total cost of ownership has development cost minus consultancy fee RM100,000. Second, system administration RM30,000. Annual service fee between 500 and 5,000. 5,000 we minus 500, and then we get the answer. The answer we divide to, we get RM 2,250, and then we multiply for medical supplies, and then we get the answer RM 9,000. We have implementation cost with is RM 50,000, and for new IT staff for support and outsourcing, we also have total cost for equipment cost, server, SQL server, Cisco router, Cisco switch for LAN, fiber optic cable and network connection, laser printer, and then supplier for medicine, and the last, paper and other suppliers. Total benefit of ownership can increase in operating efficiencies, enhancing the architecture of the system. Organization can easily forecast equipment maintenance expense and set asset annual budget for it. And last, for benefit of ownership is increased customer service. For last question is analyze the alternative using scoring model and recommend the best option. Solution scoring model. The criteria is financial, operational, project, and external. The week for financial of NPV 5%, for ROI 5%, and IFAD 5%. We also put the week in operational, and we also put week in project and external. The total score for week is 100%. The total score of alternative A, we get 2.75%, and alternative B, we get 3.55%, and alternative C, we also get same in alternative A. So the best score of alternative is alternative B, because the alternative B is higher than alternative A and C. That's all from me. Thank you.